so I have just found this book over on Amazon, and it's a sketchbook. And look at the cover. It's nice, it's good, it's clean, it's crisp, but it's a sketchbook. Do you know what this means? It means it is blank pages inside. I'm literally going to show you in less than 10 minutes how you can create this for yourself. You can even probably get this uploaded onto KDP during this time. Like, honestly, I promise this is going to be super simple. So let's go. Okay, so what we're going to do is essentially just recreate a sketchbook that looks something a bit like this, something similar, because we know that this one here definitely works. And I promise you, it is not as tricky as you think. We're going to stick to the 120 pages. We're going to do the 8.5 by 11 and see how that comes out. I mean, this book has got so many reviews, which is really good. And it's got good reviews as well. So let's take a look. So we're going to go over into BookBolt. We're going to change to the Create tab and then head over into our BookBolt Studio. The price of that book as well, so is $4.58. So I think that is quite a good price, but I think I will slightly push it up a little bit more. So I'm going to go to Project and hit New Project. Here we're going to go for the paperback. I'm going to call this Sketch Book. And we're just going to change that to the 8.5 by 11. So that's that one there. Black and white interior, and we're going to go for 120 pages. So create project. So bear in mind, we are going to do absolutely nothing to the interior. That's it. That bit there is completely done. So now we just literally need to work on our cover. So what we're going to do first of all is just head over here into our image library. Let's go and see what we can find over on Pixabay that might work out quite well. I'm kind of imagining something a bit abstract, so I'm just going to search for abstract and see what we can find. So that one there, as you can see, is really similar to what they've done. That's pretty cool. Oh, okay, I really like this one. So I'm going to head and use this one just here. So it's a bit different, but that's cool. I like it. So let's just stretch that out so that covers. Yep. There we go. And now I'm simply going to add in my text box. And we're going to call that Sketch Book, and I'm going to put in there 8.5 by 11 inches, so it's just on the front page, and then I will just centralize that text as well. So let's go center. There we go. I'm going to close that so I can just move this across. It just gives you a little bit more room to play with, and I just kind of want it about maybe a third of the way down. The black is kind of jarring, so I'm just going to add in a bit of a box around it, maybe just simply a white box is what I'm thinking. So let's go change that color to white. Let's move that. And then position, that one is going to go behind the text. So I'm just dragging it down over here. Okay, and now I think I just kind of need to zhuzh up the text a little bit. So I'm just gonna highlight all the text. And let's have a look and see what we can, oh, that's nice, okay. Berkshire Swash, let's have a look, see how that looks. Sketchbook. Yeah, that's good. With this box here, I'm just simply going to add in a bit of an outline. So look, so that's curved it slightly. Solid line. There we go. Nice. Yeah, that looks good. And there we go. So that is that book completely done. So now I'm just going to come over here, hit download my project, which is under the printed books. And you can get a 3-day free trial for BookBolt. It's down in my link below. If you use the code Mrs. D, you can also get 20% off for life. And you can create books like this every single day. I mean, how many of those could I have created? If I worked a typical 8-hour day, how many could I have actually made? I mean, if they're taking 10 minutes, let's just say 3 an hour. I mean, that's ridiculous, isn't it? And that's making someone, that other book is making around about £230 per month. Easy. Super, super easy. Told you that was going to be fast. So there you go. I really hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If there is anything else that you would like me to take you through, if there are other tutorials you would like to know how to create this book, that book, please just leave me a comment and I will absolutely look to create that tutorial for you in the future. Cannot wait to see you all next time. See you soon. Bye.